Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome, welcome, welcome to another Foodie Grocery Haul. The Foodie Grocery Haul is hosted the first and third Mondays of the month. And, we just share with you some of the items that we purchase when we go grocery shopping. And the whole idea is for sharing with you is perhaps we may buy something that you have not tried, or maybe you would consider trying if you haven't already. Okay, so the Foodie Grocery Haul is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, my mountain home and kitchen, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Now, today, I just did a quick run through Costco because I already bought a lot of groceries from Kroger and HEB recently, so I don't need anything else. So let's go over these 5 items that I purchased here from Costco. And I got this Butterball 4-pack of turkey, and this was $25.99. So they're 4 1.7 pound pouches. And so oftentimes I'll use them to make turkey burgers or meatloaf or, tacos, whatever have you. So this is what I got there. I don't know if that's really a good buy. If you think it is, drop a comment down in the comment box below. I mean, I like Costco. I don't always think that they're all that cheap. Then I bought this Kirkland's chunk chicken breast, and I use this to make salads and chicken breast sandwiches. I make chicken and rice. So that's what I got there, and the price of that was $12.59 for 6 cans. Then I got some veggies, and I just love mixed vegetables, so I got a bag of those, and they were $8.99. Now this Pete's whole bean coffee. Now I had to take it to the machine to ground it up before I left the store. And this was on sale this week. This was $21.49, and they took off $6.50, and you can see that there. So this piece was $21.49, and they Costco took off $6.50. And you know what? I'm so angry with myself because I had a $25, those coupons that they give you back when you're, and a member of Costco, and I forgot to use it, so I have to use it the next time. And then they sampled these Tutti Bella pizzas. Now there are 2 in here, and 2 of these were $15.99. They had, I picked margarita, but the choices were margarita, pepperoni, and salami. I've never had a salami pizza. But nonetheless, I got these, and I tasted them, like I said, and they were really super good. There were people really picking these up. So that's what I got from Costco today. That's the end of this foodie grocery haul. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.